Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Memory. I'm going to teach you science. I'm going to teach you about matter. Matter is everything around us. It has got something which has got mass and takes up space. As you can see here, I've got different objects. I've got a lion. It has mass and it takes up space. I have a cow here. It has mass and it takes up space. So matter, it exists in three forms. That is solid, liquid, and gas. So we've got examples of solids here. I have a brick here, as you can see. I have a wood, that's our solid. I have a glue with me here, that's our solid. And we have liquids. I have vinegar, that's a liquid. I have juice. I have water here, that's a liquid. And we've got gas, which is inside our balloon. So when you look at a solid, let's have a look here. That is our wood. This wood, as you can see here, it has got a fixed shape. So it does not change easily. It can change when you take a hard thing. Maybe if you can hit it, then it can change. But it doesn't change easily. It has got a fixed shape and its particles, they are close together. Let's have a look at water. We have our water here, and our water, it takes the shape of the container. I want you to have a look here. If I pour water here, it takes the shape of this container. Let's have a look again at this container. If I pour water here, it takes the shape of this container. And let's have a look at the gas. We have gas here inside this balloon. So we cannot feel it, we cannot smell gas, it will be gas all over. It covers the whole space. So if you blow it harder again, it covers wherever you blow. And air is a mixture of gases and the particles, they are far apart. So we're going to have an experiment. We want to see how substances dissolve in water, whether solids or liquids dissolve in water. I have sand here. I've got salt here. I have meal. I have juice here. So all of these three, they are solids, and we've got one, which is a liquid. So I'm going to pour water on the first solid, that is our sand. We should have a look what will happen. I'm going to pour water in our salt. I'm going to pour water in our meal. I'm going to pour water in our juice. So after we've poured, we take a spoon and we start stirring. I'm stirring here. We're going to stir our salt, and at the end of the day, we want to see whether this salt has dissolved or not. And our meal here, we're going to stir it. We want to see whether it's going to dissolve in water or not. And then our juice here, we're going to stir it. We want to see whether it will dissolve or not. So after we've done this, we can take our paper where we can record our observations. So our first column, it involves substances. Our second column, we're going to tick whether it dissolved or didn't dissolve. And our third column, we're going to tick whether it didn't dissolve. So let's have a look at the first one, sand. As you can see, we can still see sand, which means sand did not dissolve. And our mealie meal, let's have a look at our mealie meal. We can still see mealie meal underneath, so which means it didn't dissolve. And then our juice, it dissolves in water as I diluted it. And then our salt. After stirring the salt, I cannot see salt anymore. So which means salt dissolved in water. So our conclusion is that some solids dissolve in water, some they don't. And some liquids dissolve in water, some they don't, especially cooking oil. Have a nice day. This is the end of our video. Thank you very much.